In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of your marketing, SEO tools, and a little bit about your reports. Not going to go into it too much because this is something you're going to want to kind of explore on your own, but I just want to show you where these things are, and there are a few things that are really important. So here I am in your dashboard, and we're going to go down here to marketing and SEO. So one of the first things I wanted to just show you was all the features that Wix has to offer. Marketing home, I'm going to go into SEO in a second. Email marketing. So that's going to be if you want to send out email blasts to your contact list. Facebook and Instagram ads. And Google ads. This is a way that you can kind of get your feet wet, but I'll be honest with you, this is one of the one features I don't necessarily recommend you use Wix, only because they do charge you a little bit of a fee to use that service. So, but again, if it's something you've wanted to kind of dabble in, it may be something you want to just kind of get your feet wet in a more simple platform. I know Google ads and Facebook and Instagram ads can be really overwhelming. But a few things that I wanted to show you that are really, really important. And like I said, you can go through here and kind of search some of the things that there are to offer here. But I wanted to go ahead and go into SEO. So there's a few things that are really important. First of all, I do have a complete SEO course if that's something you're interested in. But Wix does have this really awesome SEO setup checklist. So they'll really help you walk through optimizing your site for SEO. But what I wanted to show you was a few things here in your SEO settings. Before your site launches or right after it launches, go in here to SEO settings, and you need to make sure that your site preferences are set to let search engines index your site. So you want to click on here to show the site. I'm not going to do it on this demo site, but this is very important because you may be working on all your SEO, but if Google doesn't even know you exist and your site's not being indexed, it's all for nothing. So make sure that that's toggled on, that search engines are indexing your site. And then you also want to go back through here and go ahead and connect to Google. So again, just telling Google, letting Google know, hey, I'm here, connect to Google. And then you also want to go through here to your Google business profile and connect this to your site as well. So if you have already set, if you've already got a Google, it's going to ask you to connect a domain. Oh, you need to have a domain first. Actually, it's going to ask you if you already have a Google business account. If so, then you want to connect them. If you've not set up a Google business account, business profile, then you definitely want to do that. And you can do that through Wix here. So I wanted to show you that. And then I'm also going to go into your analytics and reports. Now, this is a demo site, so it's not going to have any traffic overview, literally zero because it hasn't been published, but this is where it will show all of your traffic and everything. It's going to show you a lot of information here and different reports. You can check your site speed here. So this is going to give you a lot of good information, but what I also strongly suggest is that you go in here to your marketing and SEO and go into marketing integrations. And what you want to do is you want to connect your Google Analytics. So you want to go to Google Analytics and set up an account, and it'll prompt you to just put in your URL and all of that. And you can actually look up, there are a few steps I'm not going to actually go into in this video, but they're pretty out there in the internet to show you. Basically, you're just going to copy a little snippet of code and you're going to connect that here. So that's going to really give you a lot more analytic information, the behavior that people are taking on your site, than just the Wix has to offer. So that's something I strongly recommend. So again, a lot of this stuff you can just kind of go through and look at it on your own and discover all the features. But I wanted to point out those few really important SEO settings that you need to do as soon as you launch your site.